Today's FYI Friday is about stress and managing your stress. So stress can be emotional, physical, and chemical. Emotional stress is what we generally associate stress with. So let's say you have family coming to visit and you're like, oh my gosh, I have to get so many things done before they get there. Good example of emotional stress. Physical stress. You could have a job where you do a lot of heavy lifting, a lot of moving around, and that can put a toll on your body. But also sitting at a desk all day can cause some physical stress, not moving around at all. And chemical stress. So this is what you put in your body or what you expose your body to. So let's say you eat a whole bunch of desserts, right? And that has a lot of sugar, and you get some inflammation because of it. That would be an example of your body responding to chemical stress. So stress is dealt with by your adrenal glands, and they're located at the top of your kidneys, right? And you can have either an acute stress response, which is associated with fight and flight, or you can have a chronic stress response. And this is when you get cortisol released, and you can have things like high blood pressure, digestive upsets, weight gain, fatigue, rashes, and the list can go on and on. Everybody responds to stress a little bit differently. So what can you do to help your stress levels and better respond to stressors? You can get chiropractic care. So getting adjusted helps improve physical stress, but it also allows your nervous system to speak better with the rest of your body, so it allows you to better respond to all of the stressors, emotional, chemical, and physical. NET, so neuroemotional technique. I do this in the office, and it's a technique that helps your body respond better physiologically to emotional stressors. Healthy eating and supplementation are another thing you can do to help you with your stress. Some supplements that have been known to help relax and give your adrenal gland support are magnesium, ashwagandha, Bach flower remedies, other homeopathic remedies, and B vitamins. Now it varies. Each person's different. They respond to stress differently. They may need something a little bit different. Massage. So you should definitely treat yourself. Get a massage. It's great. It helps you relax, and it also helps with physical stress too. Meditation and yoga. So meditation has been proven to help with stress, but it also helps with a whole bunch of other health-related issues. So it's highly recommended to do that. I really like doing yoga with Adriene, and I also enjoy doing some restorative yoga at the office. Essential oils, so you can diffuse lavender or chamomile or other essential oil blends, and those help relax you as well. They can also help you when you're trying to get to sleep, because I know sometimes when you're trying to go to sleep, that's when you think about the rest of your day, and that can bring up the stress response again. So it's kind of nice to have a diffuser and kind of let the lavender help you go to sleep. So, as always, I provided some sources below. If you're interested in doing your own research, I highly recommend it. And have a great weekend. I'll see you next week.